Are your legs feeling weaker as the years go by? Struggling with balance, difficulty climbing stairs, or muscle cramps at night? You're not alone. After 60, muscle strength naturally declines due to reduced activity, lower hormone levels, and nutritional gaps. But here's the good news. Taking the right vitamins before bed can actually help your body repair, rebuild, and strengthen leg muscles while you sleep. In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful vitamins that seniors should take in the evening to wake up with stronger, more stable legs over time. And number 5 is a game changer most people overlook. Let's dive in. 1. Vitamin D3, the leg strength booster. Vitamin D3 isn't just for bone health. It's a major player in muscle function. Seniors with low vitamin D levels are at a higher risk of muscle weakness, falls, and fractures. Taking D3 before bed allows your body to use it overnight to improve calcium absorption and muscle contractions. Studies have shown that older adults with optimal vitamin D levels perform better in walking speed and leg strength tests. Best source: vitamin D3 supplements, 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily, or as recommended by your doctor. Bonus tip: pair it with a little healthy fat before bed, like a handful of nuts for better absorption. But muscle strength isn't just about the bones and contractions. It's also about repairing the fibers themselves. And that's where our next vitamin comes in. 2. Vitamin B12, the nerve and muscle connector. B12 plays a crucial role in nerve function, which is essential for sending signals from your brain to your leg muscles. Without proper nerve signaling, your legs can feel weak, numb, or tingly. Seniors often have trouble absorbing B12 from food, leading to deficiencies that directly affect mobility. Taking B12 before bed helps replenish your stores while you rest, ensuring your nervous system communicates efficiently with your muscles. This means more stable walking and stronger leg lifts. Best source: methylcobalamin form of B12, 1,000 micrograms daily. Bonus tip: if you take other B vitamins, consider a B-complex supplement for balance support. Nerves and muscles need energy to work together, and the next vitamin is like the fuel your muscles crave. 3. Vitamin E, the muscle recovery aid. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair muscle tissue after use. Seniors who walk, exercise, or even just move through daily life experience small amounts of muscle fiber damage, and vitamin E helps speed up repair overnight. This means less soreness, better recovery, and stronger legs in the long run. Vitamin E also supports circulation, ensuring your leg muscles get more oxygen and nutrients while you sleep. Best source: 100 to 200 IU of natural vitamin E. Look for D-alpha-tocopherol. Bonus tip: combine with magnesium before bed for even better muscle relaxation. Repair is important, but what about preventing cramps and stiffness at night? That's exactly what the next vitamin is perfect for. 4. Vitamin K2, the leg protector. K2 works with vitamin D to ensure calcium goes to your bones instead of your arteries or joints. This keeps your leg bones strong and prevents stiffness that can limit movement. Seniors who combine K2 with D3 see better bone density and fewer leg fractures. Taking it at night lets your body work on bone strengthening while you rest. Over time, this translates to a stronger foundation for your leg muscles to work on. Best source: -7 malowing quatches form of vitamin K2, 90 to 200 micrograms daily. Bonus tip: found naturally in foods like natto, hard cheeses, and egg yolks, but supplements ensure you get enough. We've saved the most surprising and muscle-strengthening vitamin for last, and it works wonders while you sleep. 5. Vitamin C, the collagen builder. You might not think of vitamin C as a leg strength vitamin, but it's essential for collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein in your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Without enough, your legs can feel weaker, your joints less stable, and recovery much slower. Taking vitamin C before bed helps your body repair connective tissues overnight, giving you firmer muscles and stronger support for every step. Plus, it boosts iron absorption, which helps deliver oxygen to your leg muscles for more stamina. Best source: 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, ascorbic acid, or liposomal form. Bonus tip: pair with a light protein snack before bed to maximize muscle repair. So there you have it. Vitamin D3, B12, E, K2, and C. The 5 bedtime vitamins that can help seniors build and maintain leg strength, improve balance, and reduce the risk of falls. Remember, always check with your doctor before starting any new supplement routine, especially if you're on medication. If you found this helpful, tap that like button, subscribe to Senior Health Nest, and share this video with someone who needs stronger legs today. Your legs carry you through life. Let's keep them strong.